Hello everyone. Today I want to try Kanda bongo man. The song goes by the name Nzambi. Nzambi is a gospel song. So for new subscribers, kindly subscribe. Nzambe. Nzambe is God. Nakomisa yo. I'm praising you. Nakombo ya tata. In the name of the Father. Namona pilimo santo. The Son and the Holy Spirit. Nzambe, God. Nzambe nayembela yo. Nzambe, God, I'm singing for you. Melissa mwana yo. Melissa is I think bless your child. Kolo Yesu. Lord. Kolo is Lord. Lord Jesus. Nzoto pokasi. Give me strength. Mosala malamu. A nice job. Nzambe tala mwana na yo. Kotala is to look. Nzambe, look at your child. Limbisa masumu. Limbisa masumu. Forgive his sins. Masumu are the sins. Kolo Yesu. Limbisa mwana yo nzela malamu. Show your child the way, the right way. Mosala malamu. A nice job or the right job. Nzoto pokasi. Nzoto is the body. Bokas is strength or power. Maradite. Free from diseases. Nzambe. Nzambe talaka mwana na yo. God, look at your child. Mwana is child. Nzela malamu. Show him the right way. Mosala malamu. Mosala is job or work. So give him the right job or right job. Nzoto pokasi. Umpatie nguvu. Nzoto is body. Pokasi is power or strength. Nzambe nangai, my God. Nale lakana yo. I'm crying for you. I'm crying to you. Nasambe ayo. I'm praying to you. Nzambe. Nzambe tala kama na yo. Nzambe, God, look at your child. Musala malamu. Nice job. Nzoto pokasi. Strength. Like my body to have strength. Maradi te. Free from diseases. Maradi is diseases, so te is negative. Nzambe. So basically, that is the translation for Nzambe by Kanda Man. So for new subscribers, kindly you can subscribe to my channel. So subscribing is kind of motivating me to post more videos. Yeah. So you can share, you can like, comment. Yeah. So to make my video trend on YouTube. Okay. Until next time. Thank you. Tikala malamu.